Hi students, MCQ number 13. The vertical component of Earth's magnetic field at a place is equal to the horizontal component. So what is the value of the angle of dip at this place? It's a very interesting and easy question, very regularly and repeatedly asked in most of the competitive exams. So now let us take, let capital I represent the angle of dip. So this is the angle of dip. You can also use any other symbol like theta. In some other competitive books it is given as theta. So I can express this as theta also. Now this tangent value, tan of angle of dip, tan I is equal to the vertical component of the Earth's field divided by the horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field. Okay. So tangent of the angle of dip is equal to vertical component of the field by horizontal component of the field of the Earth. So what is given? BV. BV is equal to, okay, BV is equal to BH. Therefore, what is the tan of angle of dip is equal to 1. Because BV is equal to BH. So tan I is equal to 1, or the angle of dip is equal to tan inverse of 1, or the angle of dip is equal to 45 degree. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So it's very simple sum only. So option B is the right answer. Okay. So the angle of dip I is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, option B is the right answer. I hope you must have understood easily. Fine.